Hello investors and traders, and welcome to the weekly market report with the market guys. I'm AJ Monty. This is a one-year daily candle chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF, ticker symbol DIA. And as I do each and every week, I've left my lines in place from the last report so you can see how the market played out and how well technical analysis works as a tool for predicting the market. Yes, technical analysis is and always will be the best tool for risk management, but for traders and investors, the candle charts give us a sneak preview into what the buyers and sellers are doing and how they're stacking up. If I zoom in here, you'll see that last week I predicted we would go up, bump our heads against resistance, and pull back. I think we were only off by a day or two, and the market pulled back just a little bit, closing Friday with, although it shows a positive day, we have a spinning top there, which is a sign of indecision. I'm going to erase all of these lines so that I can draw what I believe will happen for next week, and I think that this resistance right here will hold. I think we're also going to pull back just a little bit, maybe fill this gap and test that support level at the 175 level. Now remember, that's the diamonds. For the Dow, that would be 17,500. So I'm expecting a pullback right there. And if you look at the S&P through the spiders, you'll see that there's also a support level that I expect will be our next target area right there, right around 203. So I'm going to erase all of these lines, and I'm going to redraw my forecast just like that. I think we'll pull back to the support level, and we'll have to wait until next week to see whether or not that holds right there. So if we look at a more broad-based index in the Russell 2000, ticker symbol RUT, you'll see that we've reached a level of resistance. Again, I think that we'll pull back from this area, so I'm going to leave that angle of pullback in place as I draw this high as the resistance high that we'll pull back from. So I'm going to look just like that, leave that in place so that we can again check the accuracy of the candle charts. If I look at the Qs, that's ticker symbol QQQ, also known as the power shares, we pulled back exactly as I forecasted, almost to the penny right there. The Nasdaq gapped down today, so the new forecast for the Nasdaq or the Qs is that I think this area will hold as resistance. I think we're going to pull back just a little bit more to determine the next level of support. Might be right around that area, so I'll leave that in place just like that. You'll notice this red candle was on much higher volume. That tells us that the sellers are accelerating. And when we look at the volatility of the market, you'll see something very interesting in the VIX. That's the volatility index. The volatility index is a contrarian indicator to the S&P, and we've found a 3-year support level. Let me go and erase all these lines so I can go back to a weekly chart and really show you the significance of what's going on here in the VIX. And again, clicking on the weekly chart, you'll see these are the 3-year lows right there. You'll see that horizontal line represents all these areas where the VIX bounced, and we are right at that area once again. So I think the VIX is going to rally in a pretty good move, which is bearish for the underlying S&P. Remember, again, the VIX is a contrarian indicator too, and it is one of the best leading indicators around. So look for the bounce in the VIX, a sell-off in the S&P, a sell-off in the Dow. I'm expecting a sell-off in Russell 2000 and a continued sell-off in the Qs. If you would like to learn more about what we do at The Market Guys, just go to themarketguys.com. You can click on the video tab right there, and it will bring you to a library of very short videos we call Market Shots. Here's a very popular video right there, Trading the Gap. You'll see the role reversal. I talk about that in almost every video and report that I put out. And you'll see many other areas of interest that people have asked about, and you can learn from this for free. Again, Market Shots through the video tab or the video library at themarketguys.com. Have a great week ahead, and we'll speak with you soon. So long.
This video segment is a small part of what the Market Guys offer through their educational products and services. If you are interested in any of our Trade Alert services, or you would like more information about our one-on-one mentoring program, simply contact us at info@themarketguys.com.